How to watch movies on Plex. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to watch movies on Plex. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for tips to enhance your movie night, I've got you covered. First things first, what you need to do is open your web browser and head over to plex.tv, and let's create an account. To do that, what you can do is tap on the three horizontal bars at the top and simply tap on sign up for free. Now you can choose to create an account with Google or Apple, choose whichever you prefer. Once you've logged into your Plex account, you can simply search for the movies that you want to watch. Let's say Titanic. And here you can see, simply search for it and you can see all the options. Simply tap on the movie which you were referring to, and from here you can simply watch the movie that you were wanting to. And that's it, you're all set to start watching movies on Plex.